The installation consists of connecting the T-harness at the BCM, which is located at the center console passenger side. Pull back the carpet. This is the BCM. Connect the T-harness to the color matching connectors. Press the tab on the connectors to remove them. Connect the T-harness to the BCM. Make sure all the connectors are properly connected. You should hear a click. Connect the T-harness to the vehicle's connectors. Secure the module and T-harness with the included zip ties. That's it for the physical installation. Please see the guide for programming instructions.